What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's the 7th of July. We're taking a look at Pepe 2.0, the daily chart, the BitGet data. We are on tradingview.com, guys. We're taking a look at this chart as we start to reverse off of my upper target once again. So I do not have any more upper targets besides the one you see on the screen, which is 20,775. We talked about this a couple days ago before the target was hit, before we made new highs past the 29th of June. Pepe hit our target yesterday of the 6th of July. The target is, once again, 20,775. It's this green line on the chart. You can see we reversed off of that. Overnight, we were starting to rally again, broke out, and then we are getting reversed. We are getting resistance at that level again. And let me show you a 3-minute time frame, the importance of these levels I share on my charts. So you can see the first rally up to here, resistance right away, markets traded sideways, tried to break out again, major resistance, and then the markets finally rolled over here for Pepe. So that's how these targets work. Right now I only have one on the chart, but above the market works as a target / resistance, and then below the market will act as a target and or support. So the same thing, just below the market. So we will see how far this market pulls back. If we throw the fib levels on the chart, we'll take this swing high right here, and then we'll take our swing low right about here. So there's a chance that we actually find support at the high of the 29th of June. That high is 1450. We're trading at 13.9. We're trading at 14. So we're slightly below that high, but there's a chance that the market could find support there. Although there's not too much support there, there is a chance. The next below the market as a pullback is underway here. It's down to basically the 786 fib, which is give or take the 9012 level, or very close to this high here on the 30th of June. And that high would be 8837. So there's a chance that you could see something like this pullback to this fib. And then we can just work our way. We can take the stairs to the downside, and that would be the 618 fib down there at basically 6287 right here. That would be the next support, and then we have the 50% retrace under that at 4882. So here's a couple levels. We have this first level, the 786. That's potentially an area. We have the 618. We have the 50% retrace right there. And then definitely should be some support in this area. But that is a pretty far pullback. Depends if Bitcoin gets crushed. Of course, it could pull back that far, but this might just be temporary, guys. So the first pullback, the 786, would put the price down 36%. The 618 pullback would put the price down 55%, and the 50% would put the price down here, give or take from where it's trading at now, about 65%, give or take. So that's my thoughts on Pepe 2.0. Like I said, if you have been around and watching these Pepe 2.0 videos, you would have known that the price has potential to move up to the 20,775 level before it happened. And that is a potential resistance area, major resistance, for at least a period of time. You know, sometimes it's a couple hours, sometimes that's a top for many, many months. But if you were ahead of the game, you could have locked in some profits up there. So if you're not yet joined to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, guys, and you'll be notified if you turn on the notifications when we put out videos like this. And then the next time around, you could potentially have those price areas on your chart. So we'll see. I will be out with some more Pepe 2.0 videos. And if this market starts to reverse, we'll try to get some more upper targets, you know, somewhere up in here. As always, we could throw the fibs on here, which we did this in the last video. Let me just real quick before we wrap this up, just to give you an idea of what is above the market according to the Fibonacci numbers. And the 1618 is up there at basically the 5.3 level, which would put the price from where we're currently trading at now above the market about 280%. So that's just one example of an upper price target. But so far, we have not reached so far, we found resistance at my level and not the fib levels. The fib levels are up there, like I said. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Keep an eye on this market. Remember those pullbacks, throw the fibs up there, take the swing high to the swing low, and you'll see right now we're just about sitting at the high of June. And then if we head lower, use those fib levels as potential areas to accumulate if that's what you're looking to do, not financial advice. All right, guys, let's see how this market does. So far, down 25% this morning. Keep in mind, from the low on the 2nd of July, according to this BitGet chart, the markets are still up. The 2.0, Pepe 2.0 is still up 728%. Huge, huge gains. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the channel, all of the new subs, and appreciate all of the current subs. If you are not yet joined, go ahead and join us. Turn on those notifications. Appreciate it. All right, let's see how this Friday does here for the markets. Bitcoin might have got that shot over the bow yesterday. Let's jump over to that real quick before we wrap this video up. So if we can recover from here and get above these three resistance levels, basically, so 30,000, 141, 186, 234, that would be good. We have a lot of work to do to the upside. Yesterday, we just about hit my upper resistance at 31,573. Not quite, but close. And then had a very weak close. So there is some issues up here for Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin cannot recover, there's more downside to come for this market. But hey, you got to be nimble. These markets can change quick. You know, one day it looks horrible. The next day it's back at it. Bulls have control. You know, it could easily, some news event could come out. Anything is possible, especially in these markets. I believe they are heavily manipulated. Doesn't mean that there is still not lots of opportunity. There is. But, yesterday was ugly, not good. Today doesn't look good so far. It's got a lot of recovery to do, but you could easily see a market with a big green candle like that. There is some major resistance right up in here. I mean, 31,573 is my level, but you could actually go a little lower into that 31,000 area, low 31s. And we got major resistance up in here. Let me see here. And if and when these markets do break above that, it could be so in a very, very strong fashion. See the Bitcoin price up many thousands of dollars. So just be ready for that. I'm not short these markets, but if you are, and we start to get a move like that, yikes, be careful. All right, guys, have a good one.